Alright, greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Today I am on location working on a machine, and I'm going to do a quick little video of a problem that I discovered. People have been talking about problems with the stern games and their coil stops, and I'm going to show you something that I recently discovered. This is a brand new Jurassic Park that's on location right over there. It's been offline, so let's go take a look at what the problem is. So, somebody with great penmanship left that really cool thing on the game, and as you can see, this flipper is sticking up. Now, why is that? What's up with that? So let's take a look down underneath the game. So here's the coil, and this is the coil stop right here. Watch what happens when I turn the flipper up top. See, the actual stop of the coil is detached from the plate, and that's not good. And the whole coil plate has bent back a little bit. This is bent back a little bit, so this whole thing is falling apart and is going to need to be replaced. Unfortunately, just poor construction. So Stern needs to get on the ball and fix that. So hopefully their quality control will improve and these coil stops will be better made and these issues won't happen. So until then, I will see you next time at pinballhelp.com. Thanks for watching. All right.